Recently, ITC hosted a grand launch party to kick off the AMD ITL Cup 2024, bringing together industry leaders, channel partners, sponsors, media partners, and team owners, as well as their family members. The evening was filled with energy, excitement, and great networking. The title sponsor of the launch party was AMD, and the co-sponsor was Lenovo. Apart from all other sponsors, the event kicked off with a traditional lamp lighting ceremony where distinguished guests were invited to illuminate the lamp. The party was packed with a vibrant entertainment, including live music and dance. It was the perfect setting for networking, exchanging ideas, and discussing the significance of the AMD ITL Cup 2024. One of the most exciting moments during this launch party was the unveiling of the ITL Cup trophies and the introduction of the 12 participating teams. The energy in the room reflected the anticipation and competitive spirit for the tournament ahead. It was a night of celebration, unity, and shared passion for both cricket and business. Being the media partner for AMD ITL Cup 2024, DT had the privilege of attending this event. We interacted with ITSC founders, sponsors, and channel partners to know their reactions about the event. Check out this exclusive video.
सर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन 4th एडिशन लास्ट ईयर भी आपसे बात करी थी और वो एक्साइटमेंट से कहीं 4 गुना ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट आज है सो हाउ यू आर फीलिंग
Always passionate, and we always love to talk to you every time. And if you see, this is the 4th edition, and look at the crowd, the people, those who are participating day by day. The sponsors are increasing. We are thankful to AMD, Seagate. Earlier last year, if you see that Seagate was there. Today AMD is there, Lenovo is there, and multiple partners are who's always, they are very passionate about the cricket. And cricket, it brings people on a single platform where all the IT people come together. They share their thoughts, they bond each other, they do networking, they do business together, and the families are also involved. So now you see the second generation who is participating, all our kids, especially my kid, other kid, and they are bonding together. So it is next generation who is taking participate, and it will be good for our business as well. And we are bonding up with the vendors a lot.
Right, sir. You're passing the baton to the next generation, and this is good idea, in fact, because they are more creative than us, and we'll take this further. So how do you see this kind of the matches will gonna happen? It's very tough. How do you see the team is balanced?
Oh, don't ask me this question because I was last year I was a runner-up, and first 2 years I was trophy holder.
Okay.
And you see a lot of the battle is one thing I would like to tell you is we all play fair game. We allow only IT partners to participate in this tournament, IT industry people, and it's tough matches. You see, it's ITL is something like IPL only. I would rather say, and each one is the fighting spirit is so high that people are always they are passionate. They just they put everything. They put all the efforts to win the trophy.
One more thing, because पार्टी अभी बचा हुआ है आपका और ये होना भी चाहिए, इतनी मेहनत करी है, तो जो चैलेंजेस आते हैं या फिर कितना हार्ड वर्क रहा टू पुट अप सच ग्रेट शो?
सो हार्ड वर्क फर्स्ट ईयर में बहुत ज़्यादा था बिकॉज टू कन्विंस
अब आदत हो गई है,
अब आदत से लग गई है, एंड अब काफ़ी लोग अब ऐसा है कि हमारे पास टीम्स कम है, पार्टिसिपेशन हम नहीं दे सकते हैं और लोगों को, बट वी हैव अ वेटिंग लिस्ट. यू विल बी सरप्राइज दैट टू सी द वेटिंग लिस्ट व्हिच वी हैव.
That's great. With this, I would like to conclude this discussion because मुझे लगता है अगले साल में आप टिकट लगाने लगेंगे लोगों को आने के लिए लॉन्च पार्टी में.
वो दिन अभी दूर नहीं है कि हम ज़रूर टिकट लगाएंगे.
बिल्कुल. और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑलवेज टॉकिंग टू DT.
Thank you. It is always fun to talk to you. Thank you so much.
सर एक